Hello, thank you for stopping by and welcome to my channel, DIY with Aurea.
And we are back with another recreation inspiration. I'm gonna come back with more details regarding this collaboration, but now let me show you the first project. I was inspired by She's So Crafty. What a talented creator. The first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these two outside and I'm going to be spraying it with this white Rust-Oleum paint. Once it was nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and glue both of these pieces together. As you will see, I'm adding my own twist. I'm leaving it completely white only because this matches my decor. And again, if you don't like the color white, then you are more than welcome to customize it as you please. Now I'm adding some Spanish moss along with some succulents in the inside, and off camera I added some jute cord between both of the pieces or where the pieces meet. And my dear friends, I am so honored to be on the same playlist as these beautiful and talented creators. The rules for this is we have to recreate another creator's project, and of course that has inspired us, and we must recognize them and give them the credit. And the host for this collaboration is Loli D's Creations, along with Kate, Lady Red Crafting, and the special guest host this month is Christine Divine Designs, and she just changed the name of her channel. Thank you ladies for putting this playlist together. The links directly to their channels along with the playlist will be down in my description box. Don't forget to visit them and show them lots of love by subscribing, sharing, and liking, and let them know that I send you over. Project was really nice and easy to create. I enjoy myself very much. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And here is the final reveal. I hope you enjoy this one. Moving along with our second project, I have this wood slice. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around because I had already painted this one for a different project, but I never finished it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around and use this linen white chalk paint. And I was inspired by fashion outfits. As soon as I saw this, I said I'm gonna create that for my wall. And again, I'm gonna be giving it only one coat to this front portion. So now everything is completely dry. I'm gonna go ahead and add two of these screws with this hook. We have something nice and secure to put it on the wall because this is a heavy piece. And again, I'm adding my own twist to it. The other one had a jute cord, but for this one, I'll be adding some burlap ribbon. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a piece and then just secure it in the back with plenty of hot glue. So I thought that I would be adding these fall leaves, but then I looked at it and it looked kind of busy because the leaves are pretty big. But I mean, if this is your style, you're more than welcome to do exactly this. But then after I put it in there, inside that ribbon, between the ribbon and the wood slice, I should say, I really didn't like it. So I opted for other flowers, but you'll see. And at this point is when I decided that this is not what I want. So I came in with some smaller floral, of course in white, and then I'm just gonna add this one in the middle. This one is a little too long, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut half of it off. I don't want it to show in the bottom, so let me go ahead and do that. And then of course, this is how it turned out. I like this better. I don't know, what you think? Do you like better the fall leaves, or do you like this one? I like this one because it looks nice and simple. I also have some more greenery that I'm cutting from different, well, from the bottom of my stash. I found this one little stem with only greenery actually. And this is it. Here's the final reveal. Leave me in the comment section your thoughts. And for this next project, I have this charger. I'm gonna go ahead and paint it with black chalk paint, and I got inspired by Beverly Stunning Creations. She is a glamorous queen. You should check her out. She does some amazing crafting. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give it one entire coat to this charger. I really like this one. This one really didn't take me long to make. And of course, I added my own twist to it. Once it's completely dry, I'm gonna go ahead and take this decorative mirror from Dollar Tree, add hot glue here and there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right on top. If you want this to be permanent, you could always use E6000 or any other glue of your preference. My dear friends, don't forget to visit that playlist down below and show them a lots of love. And here's the final reveal. So for this DIY, I bought these napkin rings at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be painting them with white chalk paint. And now that they are dry, I'm gonna take some of this ribbon. You can use whatever ribbon you desire and whatever color. I have this white, black, and orange, and then I have this other thin one that I wrapped around. Now I'm putting a little bit of hot glue and putting these beautiful pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And this is the way it looks. And I'll be wrapping some jute twine several times on both corners of the pumpkin. So this is the way it looks with and without the jute twine. Now I have this napkin as well from Dollar Tree. I'm going to fold it like a fan and then fold it in half, and this is what I did. This looks absolutely beautiful. I am loving it. And here it is one more time. I did the same thing to all 6 of them. And guys, as a lot of you know, I love to do DIYs on a budget and easy to do. If this is something that you like and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you as part of my channel. I also have these wind beads that I had already painted in my stash, and I'm going express my gratitude for visiting my channel. Remember to subscribe, share, and like, and don't forget to let me know your favorite project in the comment section. And now let's get ready for the final reveal.